Farming, from then to now. Did you know your favorite food started with a tiny seed and a whole lot of history? Let's dig into the world of farming. Imagine a world without farms. Early humans spent all their time hunting animals and gathering wild plants. It was a tough life. Then, something amazing happened. People learned to grow their own food. This was the birth of agriculture, and it changed everything. Ever wondered what farmers actually do? It all starts with crops. A crop is simply a group of the same type of plant grown together on a large scale. Think fields of wheat, rows of corn, or orchards of apples. Farming isn't just about food, it's about survival. It provides us with the essentials we need to live. From the clothes we wear to the fuel we use, agriculture plays a vital role in our daily lives. It's the backbone of our society. Want to learn more about the amazing world of agriculture? Subscribe to our channel for more bite-sized farming facts. Leave a comment below and tell us your favorite crop. Let's grow together.